Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I do hairstyles for kids and I do a lot of beauty DIYs. So please consider hitting that subscribe button so we can be family, okay? In today's video, we are going to be making rice water that can help you triple your hair growth, okay guys? So in here, I have about 1 cup of parboiled rice. You can use any rice of your choice, yes guys. So I'll go ahead and wash the rice as to get rid of any chemical that was used to preserve the rice. So after washing the rice now, I will go ahead and take off the water. So that is done. The next step here is that I'll go ahead and add this rice into a jar. So now I'm done adding the rice into a jar, and here I made sure that the water passes the level of the rice. So the next thing to add is ginger. I will go ahead and add some slices of ginger into the rice water. I do this because I will be leaving the rice water on my hair. I will leave the rice water on my hair overnight, okay? And I decided to add ginger because ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp, okay guys? You can skip this if you don't like ginger or if you don't like the smell of ginger, all right? But trust me, this will take this rice water to another level. So I'll go ahead and cut the ginger into the rice water, and after that I will add orange peel. This orange peel will help to mask the smell of the rice water. If you don't feel like adding orange peel, you can go ahead and add any essential oil of your choice, okay? Then after that, I will give it a mix. And also I will check the water. If there is need to top water, I will go ahead and top water. Then after that, I will close it and I will keep it away for 3 days. I will leave it to stay here for 3 days. Then we'll be back, guys. So this is the 3rd day, guys. The rice has fermented. So now we'll move to the next step, which is collecting the rice water. And to do that, you get a sieve and pour in the rice water into the sieve. But before you do that, give it a mix, okay? After that, you pour everything into the sieve. Then the rice water will drip out. So guys, here is it. Here we have our rice water. And to make use of this rice water, you will need a spray bottle. Add the rice water into a spray bottle. Then once that is done, you cover it. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this to grow your hair. So here I am, and this is my hair now. This is my 2nd time of using this rice water. I like to section my hair like this so as to let the water to penetrate into my scalp very well. So now I will go ahead and start applying the rice water on my hair. My hair is already washed, okay? You have to wash your hair before you apply the rice water, okay guys? As you are applying it, you keep on massaging your scalp so that everything will penetrate. It's not a must you will section your hair this way, okay? But I like doing this. I like doing this. If you don't like to section your hair, you can just pass some small portions of your hair and apply the rice water. The most important thing is to make sure that the rice water gets to your scalp. So after applying it to my hair, the next thing to do is that I'll go ahead and cover my hair with a shower cap. Because I'll be leaving this rice water overnight on my hair, I did not take my bath before applying this, okay guys? Because the rice water, the smell of the rice water is not that friendly, okay guys? And after applying this rice water right now, I'll go ahead and take my shower. So I'll cover it with a shower cap, and also I'll go ahead and cover it with a hair bonnet. I'm doing this because I'll be sleeping with it, okay? If you will not be using it overnight, I don't think there's need for this, okay? So now I'll go ahead and take my shower. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, the next morning. So this is the next day, guys. Oh my goodness. Did you see? Everything has penetrated into my scalp. Did you see? Wow. I think using rice water overnight is the best way you can use rice water to grow your hair. For me, now I'll go ahead and lose my hair. I think I have to do this off camera because it's difficult for me to lose this hair. I need to get a help. I will lose it and I will come back, okay? So this is me. I've lost the hair and I've washed my hair, guys. Wow, did you see my hair? I will show you guys before. I started using this rice water 2 weeks ago. I will show you guys before how my hair was. I will show you guys the picture of before and now, okay guys? Honestly, this rice water is great. It's great, honestly. I will leave the picture for you guys here so you guys will see before and now, okay guys? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next one.